Wait until you try these spicy mushroom Thai noodles. They're so delicious. Oh my goodness. I had mushrooms in the fridge and I had to make something. I also had these really good stir-fry rice noodles. So what I did was chop up some white onion and jalapeno really fine, and then broke up the mushrooms and added them to the bowl. Now I wanted to marinate it in some soy sauce, and I added some grated ginger and then the juice from the jar with the ginger. And then just toss it, and I set it aside for like 15 minutes. Add some oil to the skillet, then dump that mushroom mixture right in there. Then add some orange juice. I just squeezed half an orange. And stir it really good. Then you're gonna add paprika, turmeric, and black garlic powder, as well as 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then you're gonna add a couple tablespoons of water and let it saute for a few more minutes. You're gonna end up needing to add 2 cups of water in total. Let it come to a simmer and then add in the noodles. You can also use vegetable broth if you prefer. And then just put the lid back on the skillet and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the noodles are cooked how you prefer, al dente or all the way super soft. I like them super soft. The full detailed instructions will be in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, anyreasonvegans.com and YouTube.